MU Dark Epoch Beginner's Guide. So, just a short explanation on a few things you can put in mind when you have just started playing the game. So, first of all, before anything, this is a fantasy MMORPG where players level up characters, complete quests to collect gear, fight the bosses like the Dark Lich over here. We just started the Bellator session, but other than that, as a beginner, the most important thing to do is to just follow the main quest. So if you take a look at the right side here of your game, there's going to be a few quests you can do. You got the main ones, you got side quests, but if you just go ahead and click on one, it should just automatically tell you how to do it, what buttons to press, and it should just lead your character to wherever the quest is done. So they provide the fastest experience, equipment, and progression, especially in your early game. So completing quests and defeating enemies grant the XP that increases your level and unlocks new skills, gives you more gear, increases your constellation. You can manually upgrade your constellation, but you should also regularly upgrade your skills and equipment because stronger stuff is going to make you have an optimized ability, which makes your battles much easier and makes the progression much faster as well. Another key tip is to join a guild, a very active guild. Doesn't have to be very active, but just a guild that has mostly active people, and participate in multiple events, especially the limited ones, since guilds provide extra rewards and the events do this as well. Unfortunately, we didn't 3-star that, but cooperate activities and help with tougher content. So players should also manage resources carefully, like your gold and garnets over here. Make sure you're doing trades properly, and it should be mainly spent on important upgrades. So don't just spend lots of these resources on things you won't be able to use. And participating in limited time events, daily quests, and multiplayer activities can also give rare items. With that, faster progression and exploring the world, experimenting with builds that matches your class, and finally teaming up with other players, which is basically the guild part. But you don't have to play with a guild in order to play with other people. But other than that, it helps you progress faster and definitely enjoy more of the game's content. So don't just make the game just so that you're doing it for progression and stuff. Try to enjoy the game as well. That way you can actually progress much easier since you're actually enjoying the game. But those are a few things you can put in mind as a beginner. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.